Best Toothpaste Squeezer Review. In this video, I'll share with you one of the best tube squeezers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval, and share with you some of the features of what makes this toothpaste dispenser so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this toothpaste squeezer. The one that made our list is the Anya Toothpaste Squeezer. It works for tubes that are up to 2.3 inches wide, and it can be used for different kinds of tubes including toothpaste, cleansing foams and other items. Simply insert one end of your toothpaste into the rolling shaft, put the handle back, then start rotating the handle. The squeezer itself is made from high quality ABS plastic, is reusable and environmentally friendly. Now you can finally squeeze out all the toothpaste and lotions and foams and get your money's worth while helping to reduce waste. To check out the full specs of the Anya Toothpaste Squeezer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/squeezetube. Here's a quick video demo of the Anya Toothpaste Squeezer being used. So there you have it, the Anya Toothpaste Squeezer. Considering how easy it is to use and how you can use it again and again, it's definitely one of the most value for money toothpaste squeezer you can find. Again, to check out the full specs of the Anya Toothpaste Squeezer and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/squeezetube. Alright, thank you for watching.